you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new, if you are new, welcome. If you aren't new, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, y'all. So in today's video, I'm going to be installing this headband wig. Super pretty. Love the color, love the curls, love the texture, love how it feels. It is very good. So in today's video, this unit comes from MyShinyWigs. Love their pink and yellow packaging. It is just like super duper eye-catching. Every unit that I've tried from MyShinyWig has been absolutely amazing. Their quality of wigs are really good, you guys. So if you're interested in seeing me install this unit and just showing you some different styles and whatnot, I'm gonna do a little voiceover so you guys can hear my thoughts about the unit. Then continue watching. Of course, before we jump into the video, make sure you go and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and follow me on my other socials. They'll be here on my screen as well as in my description bar below. And now let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Hey beauties, so I am putting on this headband wig here from MyShinyWigs, and I'm just going to show you guys about 2 or 3 different styles today. You know, headband wigs, they're out here being so versatile, so convenient, super easy for your easy pop on and go. So I'm happy to show you guys the styles that you can achieve with this one. This one does come with that black band all around the head, and then it comes with 3 combs so you can have a little bit extra security. You can make the unit a little bit tighter with the Velcro strap that is included. And this one came with 4 different headbands. I'm only going to use one today since I just had on a black top. I just wanted to keep it pretty simple and not change it out too much. The texture of this hair is super beautiful, you guys. I really love how it felt. It came super duper like perfect with the curls, so I did go through and finger comb them a little bit just so we can make the unit a little bit bigger, which is definitely what I was going for. And those curls feel so pretty. I want to make sure that I don't add any heat to them. You can if you want to, but I'm going to make sure that I don't because I want to keep this texture. I want to keep this pattern. This pattern is absolutely beautiful. The color throughout the entire unit is pretty. It's like giving me more of a chestnut kind of chocolate brown mixture with a little bit of 2 in it. I absolutely love the color of this unit. I love how this unit feels. The density is really good as well. So to start off, I'm just going to show you the unit with it all down, just showing you how big it gets and what it looks like in an all down look, in an all down style. And then I'm also going to show you guys what it looks like with a half up, half down do, which is one of my go-tos when wearing my headband wigs. I just really love this style. Of course, we're going to show you a ponytail look as well. Keep in mind, you guys, this unit is a human hair wig, so if you need to add any conditioner to it, any product to it, you can. You can wash it, you can straighten it, you can recurl it. but not least, of course, that top knot bun. You can never go wrong with being able to put your wig up in a top knot bun. That is also one of my go-tos, one of my favorites for sure. MyShinyWigs, you did your thing with this unit. I really like this wig, you guys. If you're interested in the unit, make sure you check out my description bar below. I will have a direct link there for you. This color is just so pretty. I'm amazed by it. I love it. Like, I really wish that all my wigs could be this color. It's just such a pretty color. Alright you guys, so that ends today's video. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. If you guys are interested in seeing any of the other hair videos that I've done with my shiny wig, make sure you check out the description bar below. I will have direct links there for you guys to check those videos out, and I'll put them up in the card section as well. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you again to MyShinyWigs for providing today's unit. And without further ado, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all. Thanks so much for watching.